Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is George Aguilar and I got a laptop power bank from a Macbook. Don't you just guys freaking hate it when your battery dies? Well, this extender will help you have more battery time. Let's do an unbox and show you how it's going to work on my MacBook Pro. Let's get it out. Remember, this is a Type-C PD power bank, high quality. Let's get this baby out here. Check it out. Would recommend it to anyone that needs extra battery life. Say you're in an airport or you're at the school and you don't have a plug to connect your laptop to. Well, this is gonna help you out. It's a 20,000 milliamp hour battery. Will do up to 45 watts. We got your PD and we got a standard USB 3.0, which is 5 volts, 2.4 amps out. We also have a charging cable, which is Type-C to Type-C, but I'm gonna use my own. So right here, we have a 2017 MacBook Pro, which we're gonna do a test on, and I'm gonna show you how it's gonna work. Let's get it open. Okay, we have no batteries, 52%, no charging. Okay, but now I'm gonna connect Type-C out. Got that connected, and we are gonna connect it to our laptop. Check this out. And it has a charging lightning demonstration right there that is starting to charge this MacBook Pro. Well, for anyone who is interested in buying a battery pack, a power bank for your laptop, this is one of the greatest. I saw a whole bunch of them on Amazon and I decided for this one. So once I tested it, I liked it, and I wanted to do a video of this so you guys can see which one is a good one for you. So if you guys like one of these, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. It's an affiliate link. It won't cost you any more, but it's just a little help to keep this channel going. Thanks for watching, guys. My name is George Aguilar, and I'll see you guys later.